welcome back. Now look at the other events in the state.
Miraculous High School of Sangay organized a street play and mime show to make people aware about road safety and corruption.
Hey, Rao. License दाखव तुझे. Helmet खय.
Hey, तू चालवाय कोणाक सांगता रे?
Hey, चल, fine भर.
कसली fine?
Helmet ना, license ना, गाडीचे आरशे काढल्यात. 4000 फाईन जाता तुझी. ती भर आणि तू वच.
तू माका वळखता रे? रेट कितली रे तुझी?
तू माका रेट विचारता?
अरे कितें करता? आनी त्रासात पडटलो. चल या हांगाचे.
आमकां दिसलें फक्त विद्यार्थ्यांक 4 वण्टी 4 कुडी मदीं धरून तांची उदरगत जावपा ना. तांकां आमच्या गोंयांत दिसपी प्रस्न, आमच्या भारतांत आशिल्ले प्रस्न हाजेर तांकां खंय तरीच एकठांय हाडपा जाय आशिल्लो, अवेरनेस करपा जाय आशिल्लो. ताका लागून आमी आयज सांगेर, कुडचड्यार आनी केपें वाठारांत आमचो एक मायम आनी स्ट्रीट प्ले हे दोनूय विशीं आमी हांगा मांडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो.
7 schools of Murmugao Taluka organized Scouts and Guides Rally cum camp on Saturday. Around 400 students of Standard 7 participated in the camp. They were trained in rock climbing, rope and pillar climbing. Cooking sessions were also held at the camp.
These activities are come up just because they can come out of their fear and they can help themselves in building a better future in their career life or their studies life. Besides their studies, they are also doing all these activities wherein they get a good opportunity to understand what the actual basic lifestyle has to be.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The 4th edition of Goa Professional League 2020 tournament will kick off on Sunday at Poruri. Yes Bank is the title sponsor and long-term partners in Goa Cricket Association's plan to develop cricket and infrastructure in Goa. GPL Season 4 promises loads of entertainment with quality cricket and winners' prize money of 8 lakh rupees. Prudent will telecast GPL live.
In a press conference on Saturday, GCA President Vinod Fadke promised high-quality contest.
They have come with many schemes also, and with this I think this year GPL will be very much entertaining, exciting, and will show everybody, all the Goans, cricket lovers, the best standard of cricket in Goa.
Yes Bank representative Karan Ahluwalia said that associating with GPL is a proud moment. Yes Bank will also support GCA's International Stadium project.
There is one more reason why we are going to associate with Yes Bank, because they have already agreed to us that whenever our international stadium comes, they will give us financial support if required.
That is in fact...
That is what is most important, which is a dream of all Goans, dream of all cricketers in Goa.
Which is why absolutely what you said, sir. It's the community and the sport and Goa that we are supporting. So as a bank, sports of course needs sports infrastructure. Yes Bank, and we actually are very proud to be associated with the GPL, and we have so my name is Karan Ahluwalia, and I'm a group executive vice president and country head of the sports banking group, and we have a dedicated group within our bank that looks at sports banking, where we help support sports across verticals, and especially we have a long-standing relationship now with the Goa Cricket Association.
Prudent will telecast GPL live from 24th February to 3rd March. 2 matches every day with pre-matches and post-match analysis. Mid-innings analysis, giving Goa audience a complete sporting experience for the first time. A sports editor Niraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushanpur from Poruri.
Arle Sports Club and Politics 11 emerged victories in their respective league matches in the Patrakar Chashak 2020 tournament. The tournament is organized by Sangay Kepe Patrakar Sangh at Kurtsade SAG ground. In the first match, Arle Sports Club defeated Sarvodaya Kalai by 36 runs, and in the second match, Politics 11 beat Super Striker by 1 wicket.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.